Hello, welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to download Dodo Webview app. So if you try downloading this app from your Android phone and you're not getting the app through your Google Play, or for any reason it's not showing up on your Google Play, there are reasons for that. The first reason is because maybe it's not in your region at that particular point in time, or because the kind of version of phone that Android that you're making use of. So your Android version can also affect you having access to this Dodo Webview app. But if you are making use of a PC or an iPhone or a higher version of Android, as you can see, I already have it here. I just have to click on the install option here in order to install it on my device. So you can see it here now. So that is it on how to download. Just click on the install option. But if you cannot find it on your device, I'll advise you go to the website and just type in dodowebview.com in order to be able to download it or have access to it from your Chrome or any of the browser of your choice. But if you can't, I would advise you just be patient. Maybe it's not yet available in your region. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.